Somebody asked me a great question the other day. It was, how do you make money while you're traveling all the time? Because I'm always on a plane, I'm always going to a different island, and I'd like to cover a couple of the topics in regards to that. The first one is, you need to have a really good PA. So somebody who's managing all of your emails, your incoming phone calls, and messaging you anything that's of importance, so you can just capture that message and do a quick reply via a voice text. That way you don't have to do a great deal of work while you're away. And also, while you're away, you can learn to speak to people on your journey about things that are making money. And not in regards to the current investments you might have that are already generating income, in regards to international generation of income. Example, I was on a boat on my way over here and I was speaking to a couple, and they were looking to open up their first money exchange here in Thailand. So I said to them, how much does it make per day? And they answered me with a really interesting question, one which I didn't even know the answer to my surprise. I turned around and I says, well, how about we open up one right now in Thailand, and I will fund your shop front and we'll choose the best location. And I said, where do you think is the best location? So we started talking about it. Now, I'm going to give you one of the most important questions that you can ever ask anybody. And it is a question that gives you the answer that you need. If you don't learn to ask the right questions, you'll never get the answer that you want. And I see a lot of people fail to ask questions, but they've got to be really good, and they've got to be relevant to the topic and relevant to the people you meet. So you learn, and you learn about what's working in that country and what's not, and what's profitable and what's moving ahead, and how to maximize. Now for me, money's always a good fit. So exchange, I'm very clear on the stock market. I'm very clear on exchange rates. I'm very clear on the banking system, and how when you transfer money, that the overnight banking exchange trades on the overnight stock market with your money before it hits the next person's account. A lot of these things I don't tell you. So I'd like you to have a think about, what questions could you ask the next person that you do business with in order to get the answers that you want, which will make your business more profitable. That's the key phrase to this story: travel and asking questions, and how you make money while you're traveling. And that excludes your current investments and your current interest earned, or anything diversified that you currently have. So, another little tip. Hope it helps. Have a great day. I'm going to go diving.